Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the leggings for Umaru Chan. To make Umaru's leggings, we're going to be using New Look D0728. Now, the D means that it was a display pattern, so if it's no longer on display, you may be able to find it in the pattern drawer under the number 6533. And before we cut out the fabric, we're going to cut out the pattern pieces. And since Umaru's leggings don't go all the way down to her ankle, we're going to remove the bottom portion of it to make it capri length. Next, we're going to cut the pieces out of some dark pink stretch knit, and we're going to take a front piece and a back piece and put them right sides together, sew them together along the inside of the leg and along the outside of the leg. After the leg pieces have been sewn together, we're going to put right sides together and sew the leggings together along the middle to attach the two halves of the pants together. Then fold over the inside of the pants and we're going to sew them into place, leaving a space open so that we can insert elastic for the waistband. Cut a piece of elastic the length you'd like to go around the waist. I'm using a non-roll elastic so that, like the name suggests, it won't roll around while it's being used to keep the leggings up. And we're going to thread it through the hole that we left in the waistband earlier. Then we're going to layer the two ends on top of each other and sew them together. Tug on the elastic to pull it back into the waistband. Now we're going to sew the hole closed. Lastly, hem the bottom of the leggings to the desired length. And with that, Umaru's leggings are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!